and welcome again. For this session, I'll be working with posture and getting the head in its proper alignment, as well as rib stability. So thinking about this head-rib connection. And the first step is going to be getting our head back where it should be. Most of us have this forward head posture. We reach with the chin, we drive, our shoulders generally come forward, and this puts our shoulder blades in a really funky alignment where they should be nice and secure on the back with this nice mobility. And when our head is jutted forward, this really shortens the amount of space our shoulder blades have to move. So you can even play with that, wiggling your arms when your head is pulled back, feeling how much room your scapula have versus sending your head forward. Your shoulder blades really can't move very much on the rib cage. And so we'll start seated, and as usual, you're going to want to sit however is comfortable for you. I'm going to face this way, just so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And so we're going to get our nice neutral pelvis. So however you need to be seated for your body. And then I'm going to bring one hand right to my nose. My chin is level. My gaze is straight ahead toward the horizon. My eyes are going to stay open. I'm going to bring one hand with the palm flat to the tip of my nose. And then this other hand is going to clasp the wrist. And I'm not going to let these two hands move. So for now, don't let your hands move. Keep your hands exactly where they are. Take an inhale. And then as you exhale, keeping the hands exactly where they are, pull the nose away from the hands by bringing the back of your neck back in space. Bring your chin toward the back wall. Keep your gaze level. Keep the crown of the head lifted. Keep your ribs from moving. And then don't let the hands move. Let the head relax. So I have quite a distance that I just realigned my head posture. And granted, the hands will move a little bit. Just doing that, it's almost impossible to keep the hands exactly still. But then we're going to do that again. So bring the hand to where the nose is now. And then I'm going to keep that hand really steady. And I'm going to pull the head back. Get that nice stretch. And you can even feel yourself kind of stretching those muscles in the neck. Those muscles that are usually hanging so far forward and balancing. And then release to neutral. So I still have quite a bit more space here. And so with our head in that nice open posture, we'll take our breaths, thinking about breathing in 3 dimensions. Feeling the ribs expand to the sides, to the front, to the back. And then incorporating that pelvic floor breath. So as you inhale, you might visualize a ball filling up the belly, filling up the pelvis, gently softening the bowl of the pelvic floor. And then as you exhale, that ball shrinks down. Inhaling, feel that whole pelvis widen, soften. Exhale. And take one more breath in and a breath out. We're going to keep sitting this way. We're going to work with our ribs and our head to keep that kind of in alignment, but work with the mobility of the shoulder blades, the scapula. And so you're going to bring your hands together forward. Nice. And I'm going to attach my gaze to my left hand. And so I'm going to inhale. And then as I exhale, I'm going to turn. Inhale. And exhale, switch sides. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And begin to bring the arm further back. Inhale, facing forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then bring fingers and palms to touch, sort of a 90-90. So we're going to dome the back here. So I'm going to exhale. I'm going to round sort of like a cat spine. Inhaling to open, keeping the elbows in line with the shoulders. Keep those low ribs from flaring like mine just did. So exhale, doming, rounding, allowing the head to drop down. And then inhaling, bringing that head back into where it needs to be. So pull the head back so it feels like the ears are in line with the arms. Exhale, rounding, doming. You can let the pelvis move here. And then bring the pelvis back to its neutral alignment. Head back where it needs to go. One more time. Exhaling, rounding, doming, maybe bow. And then inhale, tall spine, everything in line. And then release. Well done. Just feel those scapula a little bit more mobile, but also stronger. And so we're not just adding flexibility, we're really bringing integrated stability through those tissues. And that will really help your pelvic floor a lot. All right, we'll see you next time.